welcome back. I'm Bri, and I have a special guest here with me today. This is Abby.
Hi.
She's my friend from church, and today we're making puppy chow. Let's just get right into it. All right, so this is where we're gonna be making it. We have
cereal, and we have pretzels and chocolate chips and M&Ms and powdered sugar.
So we're ready to make puppy chow. Okay,
Ready?
all right. You can just edit this part.
That's what I always do. No, like when I would pretend to make YouTube videos, I would film it and then never actually turn off the camera.
I'm just gonna edit this part out.
I never actually posted any of them.
Oh, mess up.
Have you already started filming?
Edit this part out. Wait, Mom, I need the recipe on your phone. Do you need your phone? Okay, I'll do it on my phone.
I'm not about to get addicted to my technology again. This is true. I put on makeup for this. Wait, this isn't the right recipe.
Still editing this out?
I hope so.
Guys, I'm so prepared. We're just gonna edit this part out.
Lots of butter.
Oh, you bought a lot this week. Not even a lot, you just bought another package. Abby, what are you doing? This is so much walking.
So basically, what we're gonna do now that I actually have everything is I need a knife too.
Oh my gosh. Not bad. Yeah.
Now we have everything.
Well, we're doubling this because we're both making one. And then we're gonna quadruple it because we're gonna make two. So you're gonna make two, I'm gonna make two, so we're gonna make four. Because we bought a lot of cereal.
This is complicated.
We can make smart adult decisions.
I was looking, I didn't know where it was. That's great.
Put it in a bowl.
Dogs are allergic to chocolate, I think.
No, chocolate's not good for dogs. Just don't go.
They're not allergic to it? That's just bad for them?
It's just like too much can be poisonous.
Oh. I think like a single chocolate chip is gonna kill Bella?
No.
You know, like diabetes wasn't going to already.
No, but don't give her any.
She's so fat. We're really dumb. I beg to differ. Wait, how long do we put it in the microwave?
Don't burn it.
I need a rubber.
That's what I would do. I would just give up. I don't get paid.
Don't you get? You know what? This needs to go in the microwave more. I bet Bella would like puppy chow. Bet she'd get extra fat from it. You guys know how fat my dog is? Mom, how much does Bella weigh?
Like 16 pounds.
Bella weighs 16 pounds, and she's a Shih Tzu. So she's only supposed to weigh like 8, right?
No,
She
she's
weighs-
only supposed to weigh 12.
She's only supposed to weigh 12, and she weighs an extra 4 pounds. And my other dog is like super underweight, so I'm pretty sure that Bella just eats all of Roxy's food. I should have done this last. We should have put the cereal in first.
Making mistakes. Now you're in it.
Goodbye.
Permanently.
No, actually, I'm gonna edit you guys out. You're not worthy.
Wait, is it in right now?
We need bags too. I forgot about that part. The tornado room,
Yes.
the arcade room. Yeah. Go in there.
My house is in Tornado.
My house is in Tornado Alley. Get you some powdered sugar. You gotta attempt to. Okay, fun. Hold it open more.
Only boost.
That's my baby brother. There we go. You guys have to make sure that you can see us. Where'd those scissors go? We should have bought more M&Ms. Make him again. Oh, let's do it right this time. All right, guys. Hi, Chloe.
Start over.
Checks in the back. We made too much puppy chow. Already tidy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm currently working on like an intro video that's gonna like have a bunch of clips of me and then like music stuff, and then it's just gonna like, I'm hoping that it'll just like encompass like what my channel is going to be about, and I'm working on an outro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We spent so long editing it and so long working on it. I finally figured out how to get videos off of the iPad or off of my phone onto the computer, and I figured out how to do it, and I figured out how to like get editing to work, so I'm so happy we're making progress. I just like hated the quality on the computer, and I know that the quality on my iPad isn't really any better, but I just want to say thank you so much for coming back and watching this, and I hope that you guys join me next week. I don't know what I'm going to be doing, but I thought that I'd mix it up and not do a music cover this time. So anyways, I guess I'll see you all next time, and bye!